Hi, my name is Darius Levi, and I'll be showing you how I did this loan for grad school project we're doing. Okay, first thing I did, I started off with putting slide this over. Writing in columns B 1, 2, and 3. Writing the amount, the annual interest, the number of payments. Right here in column B5, I wrote monthly payments. Once I did that, I also I clicked on D5 and I put in this equation right here, and I put that in. So once I plugged in these numbers right here, it would give me the amount of monthly payments. So after I plugged in this formula right here, it wasn't numbers, it was just a formula. Then I went ahead and put in the numbers that were given, and it gave me this monthly amount. Okay, after I got that monthly amount, I put in from A7 to E7. I put in number, payment, interest, principal, and balance. Then after that, for row 8, I put 0 for the number, but for the balance, I put the total balance it would be for the grad school. Okay, after row 8, this is when I started putting in equations. For this one right here, I put in this one. For the interest, it'd be E8, which is this, the total amount. Once you put in the total amount, okay, let me go back to the balance right here. The balance, I put equals D1. So that's if any time I was to change this number right here on D1, it would automatically go right here. And since I have everything plugged in, it would change all of these numbers also because the balance is different. Whereas this right here equals A8 plus A1. Plus 1. So it'll be this number plus 1, and as you can keep going down with it and make it continue on as you want. The interest, how you get the interest is you calculate, you multiply the previous balance. So I'll have to multiply this by the interest rate, and that's how I get the interest. And you do that for each one. And that's all this formula is pretty much saying. For this one right here, it'll equal B9 minus C9, and that will give you this. Okay, this right here equals E8, which is the balance that you start off with, minus D9, because you just got D9 from subtracting these, and it gives you that. And that's D9 is what you take from the balance. So the principal is what you take from the balance, and you get the principal by subtracting the payment, the interest from the payment, and that's how you get the principal. Well, you subtract the payment from the interest. My fault. So that's how you would get the principal, and the balance is, that's how you get the balance. Also, like I said, once you get it one time, you're able to do this, and you can slide it down, and it will, as far as you go down, it will calculate it all the way up for you. If you put in the right form, if you put in the right equations and stuff at the top, as you keep going down, it'll be the same ones, just different numbers right here. It'll be different numbers like E10 right here, E11, E12 is the same for formula. It's just different numbers because the numbers are changing every time it goes down. Also, this is the final right here. When you get to the end, you have a zero balance after 120 months. This is the total amount of interest that you had paid over the whole time. That was one of the 3 questions that we had. Also, I answered the questions right here in the assignment box. Those are 3 answers. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video.